It's time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. Digitalia! It's time for the percolator. 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 It's time for the percolator.
Quinto compleanno del Magic Monday, terza serata per la stagione 2013 qui al Pesce Ubriaco. Gli special guest di questa sera sono i Digitalia, DJ producer di fama internazionale. Hi Digitalia, Daniel and Daniel. This is your first time in Reggio?
It's the first time in Reggio for sure. Our third time in Italy. We are quite happy to be here. So,
do you see something special here?
Yes, it's a wonderful party with wonderful, crazy people and really good music, and we can't just believe that everything is happening on a Monday. You are really lucky to have this party on a Monday here. It's not usual. It's special.
Are you a couple?
no, we used to be a couple from 2004 to 2007. Actually, Digitalia started on 2004. So we split up as a couple and we want to keep up with the band. So we split up and we had to deal with each other.
I didn't want to leave and she didn't want to leave the project. So we had to learn how to deal with each other. But after some time, some months, it got really cool again. Yeah.
Okay. What's your
just friends?
What's your plan for the summer? Next date? Where do you work?
Well, I think next weekend we're going to London. And then we're going to August to a tour to our home country, that is Brazil. So we're gonna be touring in Brazil like for 15 days, and then we go back to Spain, where we're leaving to stay here in Europe because we just like here.
We are doing an album right now. We are working on like 7-8 tracks, and our studio is on Spain. And there are some collaborations and some old tracks we are going to use. So I think that this is the main plan for the summer, besides playing.
This is the birthday of Magic Monday here, and Francesco Milazzi is proud that you are playing here tonight. Can you say something for him?
It's really special play. Francesco is a really fun guy, and really nice to meet people like this, like in south of Italy. It's the land of our like, we come from Italy. It's like
yeah, my grandfather is from this, like somewhere near here, and I think hers too. So it's always like special to come to Italy because my family came from here, and it's nice to be here. And Francesco and all the crew from the party, it's one of the best things to be on this job. That is like traveling and sometimes meeting really nice, crazy, special people. It's really fulfilling.
We are Digitalia, and this is citynow.it.